it's finally time. It's time to scavenge this. I think it's gonna be really good. Look at these crystals, they're so huge. So big. It's crazy. How am I getting this out? I need the bottom portion needs to be like not in contact with the top portion, because if this ethanol from the top gets to the bottom, then there will be more precipitate coming out. I will just suck up all the top portion, and I will use this syringe here, and not syringe, this pipette, this glass pipette. Yeah, this will do the trick nicely, I think. Now we will be pouring out the copper solution. And you see, there is, I mean, you probably can't see it on camera, but there's a little bit of cloudiness. Yeah, so it was definitely a good idea to suck out the ethanol. We got the crystals, oh my god. Actually, really nice focus, please. So, okay, now let's see about recovering this. We need to, I'm mostly interested in the really big crystals that are inside there. Okay, now we'll pour in the crystals. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Holy shit. That's insane. That is insane. Got my fucking high school ruler out. Let's measure this one. Yeah. That's pretty big. That's like nearly 5 centimeters. This is crazy. And how wide is it? It's like, the thickest part is like 8 millimeters. So this is insane. Yeah, that's the yield for this experiment. It's really nice, really nice. I also got like a bunch of trash in here, which is like also really tiny crystals. But yeah, also this ethanol also turned yellow, so it makes me think that like just the solvated stuff turns yellow. Well, I mean, I don't know why, but some of the, maybe the copper does some nonsense. I have this guy as well, which you can't really see it because it's too dark. This guy has like, yeah, you can see it. I also got some photos that I can show you. There's like hairs. This is crazy. This is a magnesium sulfate. Not magnesium. No, it is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, like little hairs. Okay, so I mean, unfortunately, the crystals, they tarnished a little bit. Like, they aren't like black and shiny. There's like some, god damn it, there's like some copper precipitate on top of them. But I don't care. They are still huge and cool. Yeah, and I mean, I'll be popping pictures here of the tarnished ones and the non-tarnished smaller ones, because the smaller ones didn't tarnish quite as much as these bigger ones, probably because I didn't put them in the sun yet. And I probably won't. I will just pack them up immediately. The goal of this experiment was to make huge crystals of the tetraamine copper sulfate, and well, for the first try, I think. God damn, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let's look at what's going on here. So this is from 12th of January, both setups. So this calcium hydroxide setup, with sodium hydroxide and calcium chloride. And this is for calcium hydroxide single crystals, but I mean, can't really see much, but it's overgrown. So even if you could see crystals, you couldn't. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? This crystallization works pretty well actually, or it worked for me like twice already, and worked really well these 2 times that I did it. I have pictures. I always have pictures. Yeah, so that worked. Now this copper benzoate. So just remind you what the other copper benzoate setup. The very first one, mind you. No, not the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. Actually, the first one yielded some crystals. The second one also yielded these already. I showed these before, I think, in the previous video. And now this, I mean, this still looks the same. It's still the same. Yeah, but this, actually, I already looked inside, so it's not that special to me. But when I first saw this was crazy. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this. Wow. This is insane. Absolute insanity. So this is the top beaker is the one with the benzoate, so sodium benzoate inside that, and that's the copper sulfate beaker. And you see, well, we actually have growth. We have massive growth. In fact, like branching out of the little tongue thingy. I don't know what it's called. But it's like branching out from there. It's branching out quite far, like this guy right here. This is really, really long. It's about like 5 centimeters or something. So there's a bunch of cool crystals in here, and also these small ones on the bottom. Very nice, very nice. All like basically single crystals of copper benzoate. That's this. Yeah, I'm not going to show you the block. I'm just not going to show you the block. No, I broke it. Fuck. Wondrous.